Hey Pisces, welcome back to Distilled Tarot. My name's Shannon. I'll be guiding you through today's reading. This is going to be our daily reading for Monday, January 11th, and for you numerology geeks like me, that's 111. At the heart of your reading, we have the Queen of Needles reversed. You feel like you're looking at the situation and you just can't see what it is. You see that it's a facade. You see that it's a mask. You're used to being able to see the truth behind the mask, the truth behind the facade, and in this instance, you're perplexed. You know that it's fake, but you don't know what's behind it. What's the challenge here? Seven of Candles reversed. It's just that there's a mask, there's a facade that needs to be removed. Okay. Can we share anything more with Pisces about this facade? Page of Candles reversed. The facade is hiding a lack of interest. What's behind the facade is represented by the energy of the Page of Candles reversed. There could be ulterior motives here. Someone trying to be sneaky. You, however, are totally optimistic and hopeful here. What led up to this in the recent past? Oh, sorry. For those of you listening, and not with your eyeballs glued to the screen, that was the Six of Potions, which is the Six of Cups in this deck. In the recent past, we have the Tower reversed. A minor disaster. It was a big shakeup, but it could have been a lot worse. I think whoever was behind this and the way that it affected you in your life is someone who's very dear to you, someone you have a lot of positive emotion for, but they're hiding something. What's going on in the environment? Three of Presents. You're working on something together. This could be a business partner. Or you might be working with your partner, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, whatever have you. Could be a childhood friend with the Six of Potions or someone much younger than you. What's coming up in the near future for my Pisceans? How does this story unfold? Hierophant. Someone's going to put their foot down. Someone who has the authority over the situation. I'm going to clarify first. I'm going to go back to the Queen of Needles, and then I'm going to clarify the Hierophant. Tell me more about this Queen of Needles. No, they want me to clarify the Page of Candles. Okay. Ace of Potions. They could be... Their facade is that they're telling you they love you, and they don't. They love you, but they really want something else from you. Tell me more about the Hierophant. Someone lying about love feels icky, you guys. Yeah, cool. Someone's gonna put their foot down regarding this concealed motivation. It feels like a step toward resolution. I can't think of an example for you as to how this could manifest. Let me think. Say you're a business partner with someone. You were friends from high school, and they approached you to say, listen, I think that you'd be a great partner. Let's work on this thing together. And they're keeping some secret from you, that there's been a big change. Perhaps you lost funding and they're not telling you. They're trying to keep you happy and engaged, hoping that you won't find out. Or I feel strong bankruptcy vibes off of this Tower reversed. If they're in control of the finances, you might want to look into that. That might be the secret that they're keeping from you. Because they're like, everything's fine. And on the, behind the mask, behind the facade, they're like, oh, I hope they don't find out that this is going wrong. Well, there's someone in control of the situation. I feel like this is not you or your person. I feel like this is like some authority figure. Like if you have financing for your work, or it's not just the two of you in a partnership, but there's like more people involved. Someone in power is going to see what's happening here and call it out and put a stop to it. Let's see your surprise energy. What is going to influence the situation that Pisces does not see coming? Wheel of Fortune reversed, Six of Needles, Ace of Needles reversed. You're going to get a no. You're going to realize that this is not going to pay off like you thought it would, and you'll have to move on. Let's see your hopes and fears. The Chariot, moving on. You're hopeful that you'll be able to move forward one way or another, because getting stuck at this obstacle of the facade, the mask, you're like, well, I've got to tear down this facade and see what's beyond it. We have to get past this. What comes next isn't quite clear to you yet, but you're hopeful that you'll be able to get some forward momentum. Which, when you put that hope out to the universe and you're in alignment, universe comes through for you. So I see that as a very positive energy here. The end result, we have the King of Needles, lovely, and the Ten of Candles. Starting off with not being able to see, not having all the information. Well, guess who has all the information? This is you. You're evolving into the King of Needles energy with finishing it, gathering all of the details, seeing the details, making the wise decision, and being empowered to make the decision for yourself, because you're carrying the burden here. You're shouldering some burden in this situation, and it's your responsibility to make the decision. Whomever has been trying to conceal this information from you, relying on your good graces because you have a history with them, they've been taking advantage. Good news is you'll be able to get to the bottom of the information that's been missing and move on. Pisces, good luck with your situation. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye.